Hi, Bloop Town friends! Fruit or veggie? Which basket does this go in?
That's easy. Apples are a fruit. Toss it in.
Sammy brought over a carrot. Fruit or vegetable? Carrot! That's a vegetable! It grows underground. Banana, fruit! Broccoli, vegetable! Strawberry, fruit! Corn, vegetable!
Now let's make a healthy rainbow snack with everything we sorted.
Eating lots of different colors helps our bodies grow strong and have lots of energy!
Look at our two bright fruits on one side, healthy veggies on the other.
Remember, fruits often have seeds and grow on trees or vines, while vegetables can grow underground or on stalks.
Thanks for sorting fruits and veggies with us today. What's your favorite healthy snack? Subscribe to Bloop Town for a new learning adventure every week. See you next time, friends!